Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be starting web development. Ever saw a website that you love visiting again and again? Well, then you can code one yourself with the help of this free web development course. So let's start. At first, what is web development? Creating and maintaining a website that runs online on a browser is called web development. It is also known as website development. Some examples of eminent websites are google.com, which is a search engine, facebook.com, which is a famous social networking website, amazon.com, which is an online marketplace or an e-commerce website. What are the key elements for web development? The key elements for web development are HTML, HyperText Markup language, CSS, Cascading style sheets, JS, JavaScript. What is HTML or Hypertext Markup Language? HTML is the abbreviation of Hypertext Markup Language. This element determines the structure and layout of the contents of the website. What is CSS? Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is the abbreviation of Cascading Style Sheets. This element determines how to display the content on the website. What is JS? JavaScript. JS is the abbreviation of JavaScript. This element determines the code and logic of the content on the website. Let's understand the importance of these three elements with an example. The skeleton here is like the HTML of the human body, as it shows the structure and layout of the body. The completed version of the body is like CSS, as it shows the organs and muscles have to be placed. The brain of the human body is like JS, as it makes us think it work logically. Question time. How many heading tags are there in HTML? If you know the answer, comment it below. So if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. For more such videos, be sure to click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.